The Great Barrier Reef is one of the most fabulous locations in the world. It doesn't matter whether you come here just to sit on the surface and admire the beauty, or whether you come here to get under the water, it is one of the most fabulous locations in the world. So when we think about the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park as being about 344,000 square kilometres, it's really difficult for any one authority to manage it by itself. So we rely heavily on institutions like the Australian Institute of Marine Science to help us get better information. Predictive facilities like SeaSim are fundamental for us to better inform our management and to look after the reef.
We're an Australian government funded research organisation that specialises in tropical marine research. So we have a variety of infrastructure that we have at AIMS. SeaSim's possibly the most spectacular of those infrastructure developments. SeaSim gives us a capability that we've never had before in terms of the complexity of experiments that we're able to run. The Siemens technology obviously underpins all of the monitoring systems here within SeaSim. We're able to look at multiple environmental parameters that affect marine organisms, and that's the first time we've ever been able to do that.
Well, as a technology provider, Siemens relies on solution partners such as Sage to actually integrate our technology for projects like this.
Sage were required to provide a highly reliable, scalable control system capable of measuring the very precise control variables and also being able to log and report on that data.
This technology enables us to have a level of control that we've never previously had. So we can control all environmental variables. We can control the salinity of the seawater, we can control the nutrients that are present in the seawater, the temperature, the PCO2, which is what controls ocean acidification. And we can not just maintain set conditions for a 2 or 3 month experiment. What we can do now is input into the system with the controls that we've got diurnal fluctuations in things like light or temperature. We can look at seasonal fluctuations. We can actually plug all of that data into the experimental system that we've got, and it can replicate those fluctuations that more closely mimic what we see in the natural environment.
The SeaSim at AIMS in Townsville is unlike any other facility in the world. It's large, it's stable, and it's accurate, which is crucial for the work that we do here at AIMS to predict and develop innovative research. We're able to think bigger, we're able to manipulate conditions on a more realistic level than we ever have been able to do before.
We've been working with researchers for quite a long time to try and determine the economic value that the Great Barrier Reef brings to Australia, and that figure comes out to be about $5.6 billion annually. The reef provides just under 70,000 jobs to people, about 64,000 of those directly involved with tourism. So when you put all those things together and also include the natural value that the reef brings, it's very, very difficult to put a dollar figure on the entire area. It's big.